Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ethan, and we will now discuss modifiable risk factors of lifestyle diseases. So, such risk such risk factors are the effects of smoking, among others. So, let us start by discussing non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are non-infectious diseases but can be inherited or developed based on the individual's lifestyle. Heart disease, cancer, type 2 diabetes are familiar cases of such diseases. Their lifestyle may cause the development of such. Smoking is harmful because almost every organ in the body is damaged when a person smokes. Smokes or even vapes weaken the body and can lead to diseases. Sa ganitong klase ng sigarilyo, maraming namamatay, around 5 million for example. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous chemical from burnt cigarette that makes the heart do more work to supply oxygen. And nicotine is a toxic chemical compound consisting of nitrogen that can cause cigarettes or even vapes to be addictive pala. Mainstream smoke is commonly known as first-hand smoke, and there are some reasons why people start smoking. Dahil sa galit, sa stress, sa depresyon, pagre-rebelde, kaibigan, mga yan, kahit addiction yan. So third hand smoke refers to cigarette offshoots which are attached to the smoker's hair and clothing as well as walls, surfaces, furniture, and toys. They will stay even if the smoke is gone. Dietary habits are the usual choices of food that people make. Diet affects a person's health condition. Poor dietary habits happen when the person or people do not follow the principles of good nutrition. Adequacy, balance, and variety. Adequacy is a moderate amount of nutrients to maintain normal body functions. Body function. Balance refers to correct combination of nutrients, and variety means consuming different food products. Poor dietary habit is about not eating enough healthy food and can lead to malnutrition, stress, tiredness, tooth decay, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. This is why we should start eating healthy. Know what you eat. And last, sedentary lifestyle occurs when an individual lacks the recommended level of regular physical activity. So, such diseases that are associated with an unhealthy lifestyle are cardiovascular disease. This is a disease of heart and blood vessels and is the leading cause of death in the Philippines. The types of cardiovascular diseases are arteriosclerosis, atherosclerosis, and coronary heart disease, among others. Arteriosclerosis causes the arteries to thicken. Atherosclerosis is when fat hardens and becomes plaque. Coronary heart disease is a disease of coronary vessels. Certain forms of cancers are happen where cells divide in an uncontrolled pace. And finally, COPD, or chronic respiratory disease or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, occurs in the air paths and other part of the lungs, and this includes shortness of breath. This has been 365 Life. Thank you for listening.